How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the show. Well, if you need a set of floor mats for your Porsche, you may have seen these Porsche floor mats that are listed for 944s, and I decided to try these in my 924S. There's some things I like about them and some things I don't like about them, but either way, here is some video just to show you guys what they're like, and you can decide for yourself if you want to try them out. Alright, so I decided to go with these because they came with brackets that mount underneath the seat brackets and hold them in place. Well, I'm kind of bummed because I thought they had a rubber back on them. The nice thing is these brackets, and they go like that, so these things don't slide around. So you got the driver's side, passenger, and the two backs. Land of origin, Germany. Well, let's go stick it in the car and see how they look. So, I was really hoping that they had a rubber back on them, but I guess not. They're just this, they're literally just this fabric backing. I mean, they look nice. I didn't expect them to be very thick, but they do seem to fit pretty nice and tight in there. Well, yeah, that's just about perfect. They do seem to be a really good fit, even though this is a 924S or a 944. They really do. It's dirty right here, but they do seem to fit pretty good. The passenger does actually fit pretty well. I like the way the passenger fits a lot. They have like this little kind of bulge up in the side that really tucks into sort of the shape of the floor, and they were the only ones I saw online that seemed to have that outline shape, so I do like that. I don't know why they wouldn't make these with rubber backing. That just kind of blows my mind. So the way these work is these twists like that and lock them in place. Should be enough to get them underneath there, I hope. They feel like steel, but they might be aluminum. The short ones are for the passenger side, and the long ones are for the driver's side. So I'm just gonna stick these underneath here and then put the mat in, and then tighten these down exactly where I want them. After thinking about it, I decided to just go ahead and keep them, and I'm going to put down some type of rubber underneath them so that no water gets through there and reaches the carpeting underneath the mats. Alright, well there it is. You can see I don't have the factory carpeting in this car. I've just got inexpensive carpeting that I actually made work myself. Actually, it's dirty here. I gotta clean it, but this is actually a homemade like rubber mat that I put down underneath it. But that's how they fit. They are a good fit. I wish, I don't know, kind of would be nice if they went up a little further and maybe covered this area. But the biggest pain in the butt is because you're constantly pushing on the clutch, and the way you're sitting in this car, you're constantly sort of pushing on the mat and trying to push it forward. And having the brackets is a really nice thing. And in my mind, I thought, well, I'll get these ones, and when they wear out, then if I want to get like a cheaper set, you know, or a set from a different company, I can always cut holes in them and reuse these brackets, and at least these should be able to somewhat hold the aftermarket ones in place. That's kind of the hope. Actually, I don't know, I've seen listings where Lloyd said that they came with holes that fit with your bracket connections, but that might just be a generic statement. So I don't know if other floor mats would actually have grommets in the same place for these brackets or not. But anyway, I think I'm just gonna run them. I guess we'll see what happens. I could always put like a piece of rubber underneath them. But anyway, yeah, there's my review of Porsche floor mats. Good and bad, I guess. So I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to check back for new episodes of Project Porsche. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you haven't, hit that subscribe button. It would really help out my channel and automatically make you awesome. All right, thanks, guys. Bye.